Hey everyone, welcome to this exciting tutorial. I'm Wayne, and today I'm going to show you how to make $500 every single day using just your mobile phone and Bible stories. Yes, you heard that right. This method is so simple that anyone can do it, and you don't even need to show your face. In the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you through 3 easy steps to create videos, set up a YouTube channel, and start earning big. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why this opportunity is so amazing. We're in a generation where earning money online is easier than ever. There's a YouTube channel called Bible in a Nutshell that makes $500 to $1,800 a day by sharing Bible story videos. They have over 300,000 subscribers, and their top video has 3.5 million views. YouTube pays $10 to $12 per 1,000 views for educational content. So with 2 million monthly views, you could earn up to $25,000 a month. The best part? You can do this too, and I'll show you how. Let's start with method 1. Bring Bible stories to life. This is my favorite because you're spreading the good word while earning money. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to YouTube and search for Bible in a Nutshell. Find a popular video, like one with 3.5 million views. Click it, scroll down, and hit share to copy the link. Step 2. Head to InVideo.ai on your phone or laptop. If you're new, sign up with your Gmail account. It takes seconds. Scroll down, click Generate a Video, then go to Workflows and select Link to Video. Paste the YouTube link, choose Generated Only, and click Continue. Then, click Generate a Video. It takes about 2 minutes to create a polished video, like one about the birth of Samson. Step 3. Once the video is ready, watch it to make sure it's awesome, then download it to your phone or computer. This method is super easy, and you're repurposing popular content to attract viewers. Let's move to the next method. Method 2 is about creating unique Bible story videos using ChatGPT. This is great for standing out with fresh content. Here's what to do. Step 1. Open ChatGPT on your phone and ask for an engaging Bible story. For example, say, "Give me an amazing Bible story for a YouTube audience." Copy the story title and text it provides. Step 2. Go back to InVideo.ai. Scroll down and click Explainer Video. Paste the story title and text from ChatGPT. Select Generated Clips Only and click Generate a Video. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the video to be created, depending on your network. Step 3. Review the video, download it, and save it to your files. This method lets you create original videos that keep viewers coming back for more. Now, let's set up your money-making machine. Method 3 is all about getting your videos online and earning money. You'll need a YouTube channel, and it's super simple to set up. Step 1. Search Sign Up Gmail account on Google. Click the first link, enter your first and last name, choose a password, and add your phone number for verification. Once you get the code, enter it to create your Gmail account. Step 2. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your new Gmail account. Click Create a Channel. Choose a name like Bible Stories Daily and set it up. Step 3. Upload your videos from methods 1 and 2. Add a catchy title, description, and tags like Bible Stories or Inspirational. Hit Publish and you're live. YouTube is a trusted platform, and with consistent posting, you can earn $500 a day, just like Bible in a Nutshell. No need to show your face. AI does the work. That's it, folks. You now know 3 simple methods to make $500 daily using your phone and Bible stories. Post consistently, engage with your viewers, and stay patient. Your channel will grow. Don't just watch this. Take action. Create your channel, make your first video, and start posting today. I'm Wayne, and I believe in you. Let's make this year your best yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy creating!